Copacabana Beach in Rio de Janeiro is a world-famous destination that attracts millions of tourists every year. Famous for its stunning scenery and vibrant atmosphere, Copacabana Beach offers visitors a unique and unforgettable experience. Copacabana Beach is one of the most iconic beaches in Brazil. Its golden sand stretch along the coast for about 4 kilometers, providing ample space for sunbathing, beach sports and leisurely strolls. Copacabana Beach is not just a popular destination for tourists, it is also of great importance to the locals. It serves as a gathering place where people come to socialize, play sports, or simply enjoy the breathtaking view of the Atlantic Ocean. The beach has become synonymous with Brazilian culture and is often portrayed in movies, music videos, and literature as a symbol of Brazil's vibrant spirit. For those planning to visit Copacabana Beach, it is important to note that it can be crowded during peak tourist seasons. However, the vibrant atmosphere and diverse population create an energy that is truly unique to this place. Overall, Copacabana Beach offers an unforgettable experience thanks to its stunning scenery, vibrant atmosphere, and countless opportunities for relaxation and adventure.